the simple act of reconnecting with your dog. And I hope that you will simply just take the time to reconnect with your dog in any way that's meaningful for you and your dog. You see examples that I have on the videos that I do every single week of where you'll see Morty interacting with something, but that is him gaining emotional satisfaction because I understand what dogs need as a species, and I am trying to provide that in any way that I can, despite the limitations that the system and society is putting on dogs every single day with respect to the lifestyle that they have to endure, the lived experience that they don't get to have, and the choices that they don't get to make for themselves.